Here we are again on yet another episode of Off-Road Ice Cream Trucker. I don't even know where I'm at. I really don't. It's about 20 miles north of Ruffton. That's all I know. Somewhere in between there and Lake Lure, which I might get a permit for soon because they have the Dirty Dancing Festival, a movie that I could have been in if I would have made a phone call one day before. No, I wouldn't have been the lead, but I could have been in the movie. You would have seen me. Just like I was in My Fellow Americans and also the movie Last of the Mohicans. Staged in New York, but filmed in North Carolina. Yeah, so evidently there's like 4 houses on this road. I only need 4 good sales an hour to make $100 an hour. By good sales, I make $20 to $30, which could be an average family. So sometimes, not always, sometimes these back roads pay off. Hell, I've made $200 an hour on these back roads sometimes because nobody in the right mind ever comes out here. And like they say, genius is borderline insanity. And sometimes I'll just come out here, use little back roads. If I've got my money already and I'm feeling safe, I'll come out here and just roll the dice a little bit. A lot of times it pays off. Sometimes I'll fall flat on my face and I'll be out food and gas money for the day. Oh well. No risk, no reward. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 houses on this road that I can see. 5. And then probably that one over there, long driveway. I'm not going up that driveway. They should hear me from when I'm over at that part right there. My sound should travel up to there. We'll see. We'll see. Today is a speculative venture. I'm gonna do a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna go. It's starting to warm up. As soon as I am sure it's not going to be a 3 o'clock rain today, I'm gonna head off towards some known honey holes. I might discover some honey holes out here. You never know. And plus, there's only one other ice cream guy in this town. He don't come around that often, and plus, I got more and better stuff than him. My truck looks nicer. My appearance is nicer. I'm a better person. Yeah. I speak with diction clearly. I speak multiple languages. You would figure it'd be another car on this road. Make sure you wave, or at least give them the finger. This is I'm not from here, but this is North Carolina waving. I'm not from here, but I'm trying to be friendly. I've seen you a couple times. We're old friends, and it's good to say hello again, but I don't have time. Stop a second. Let's talk, because I haven't seen you in a while, and we're good friends. This is just. I'm visiting another language. I've seen you a couple times. Who knows? I might find me a little farm out here to buy. There's a lot of different reasons I drive around in the country, because I'm looking for 150 acres. Not necessarily that. That's a little bit too hilly for me. I want some hills, because I want some hydropower, but I want most of it to be flat. Well, hydro and wind power. And obviously the water is going to save me on not having a water bill. I don't want to have any bills. I want to pay for the land and not have any bills, and that the land actually makes me money, pays for itself, pays for its land taxes, and pays for my living, and maybe some employees. Why I do nothing but play music and art and travel. Passive income, brother. Passive income. Alright, Molasses Road has five mailboxes on it, but only one house. That's kind of weird. Okay, we'll keep driving. So if any of y'all want to donate, I would like to be able to stream these adventures both from the front and from the sales window. I don't know how to work this technology, and even if it's not directly live all the time, I would like to put it on the internet. If anybody knows anything how to do either one, and or maybe even wants to help fund it, I'd appreciate it. Hit me in the comments below, and my email address is circusboy90210 CIRCUSB like boy OY 90210 Your suggestions and donations are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to rock that bell. Have a great day.